Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to insert a SIM card into our Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. First of all, we need to have this pin key or whatever, a piece of the hard wire or whatever. Then at the top we have, yes, here it is, we have a hole and a SIM card tray. We need to push the pin key into this little hole, and here we have our SIM card tray. We have our dual SIM card, so we have two slots for our SIM 1, SIM 2 and micro SD. So let's insert our SIM card. We have our cut shape here, so we cannot put it in any other way. Then we can slide it back as it was before. Focus, come on, here, and push it until it fits, and then we need to wait a few seconds, and here is our card inserted. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.